So this is my 3D printed sculpture digital rain. It's all of the red and black plastic you see is 3D printed right here on this old MakerBot Replicator Dual. And basically it's a kinetic sculpture where you can see that about 1,500 little steel bearing balls are being carried up by this motorized pump that's bringing them up to the top. You can see here where they are coming out and then flowing down into the top of the crystal, and they fall through the interior paths of this crystal that's made out of about 2,500 gyroid modules that were all printed and assembled by hand with little 3D printed screws, which in fact look like this. And probably 4,000 of those screws holding it all together. You can see from this angle that you can actually see all the way through the crystal here, through this network of little holes. And in fact, through these holes you can see the balls falling through the interior of the structure. And this path, the balls can follow one of the great number of paths, so you'll see that they come out of all different places in the crystal. And of course a lot of them out of the bottom here, where they then fall into this net and are collected and travel down this little chute and back to complete the cycle, where they climb back up again. So this is made assembled without any glue. All of the pieces are 3D printed to simply snap fit together. And the crystal weighs something like 30 pounds. We stop it here. You can see that the lifter is stopped, but it takes a while for all the balls in the crystal to continue falling through. There go the last ones. And so these 2,500 modules or so were printed over the course of about 2 months on this machine, running it nearly 24/7. So you can see the sort of interesting shapes of the gyroid modules that make this thing up. So this is my kind of art installation. I might try to find some sort of a better place to display it than my basement one of these days, but for now, this will have to do. Thank you. You can find the design on Thingiverse if you want to make something like this yourself someday.